Buddy. Come here, buddy. You better watch out. Baby's coming behind you. She gonna bite you. You better come on. Get back in the yard for that dog get you. Here she comes. She coming. You better jump back over the gate. Let's go. Come on. She's coming. You better see that dog coming, buddy. You better stay off of that gate. That dog gonna get you, buddy. Y'all see the dog coming? There go the dog. There go the dog right there. Buddy better stay in this yard. Every time he see the dog, he go running underneath the damn RV.